Hey everyone! Today I want to share with you one of the most powerful concepts that can literally transform your life, the law of attraction. You've probably heard the phrase thoughts become things, but what does that really mean? Let's break it down. The law of attraction is the idea that your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape your reality. In simple terms, whatever you focus on, with emotion and belief, you start attracting more of. So, if you're constantly thinking about success, abundance, and joy, you're more likely to create experiences that match those thoughts. On the flip side, if you're always focused on fear, lack, and problems, you'll notice more of those showing up too. But this isn't just wishful thinking. It's about energy. You are a magnet, and your thoughts carry a charge. When you send out thoughts and feelings with emotion, you're sending out a signal to the universe. And the universe responds by bringing you more of what matches that signal. Here's the key. It's not just about thinking positive. It's about feeling the reality of what you want and acting in alignment with it. Want to attract love? Feel love? Want to attract success? Feel confident? Want to attract abundance? Feel grateful? This is the essence of the law of attraction. Your thoughts plus your emotions equal your vibration, and your vibration is what creates your reality. So, what are you focusing on today? And more importantly, what are you feeling? Remember, your outer world is always a reflection of your inner world. Change your inner world, and everything outside begins to shift. Like, comment and subscribe if you're ready to take control of your vibration and attract the life you deserve. More powerful tools and truths are coming your way. Thanks for watching.